tomorrow on Tyra.
Okay, guys, so we've all heard of bimbos, right? Bimbo, like attractive woman. Her voice is like this, and she's not so smart. That's what, what we tend to call a bimbo. Check this out. Did you ever wonder what you would call a male bimbo? According to the Webster Dictionary, the word is himbo. Now, is a himbo just a hot hunk or a man with no brain? Or is there more to it than that? Many men say they flex their himbo powers for sexual benefit, while others use their himbo charm to live a life of luxury. So we're taking a look at this cultural phenomenon. Himbos. Are they really that dumb? Or are they smarter than you think? Himbos. I got two himbos in the house. Waxell and Milton. They claim to be himbos. Waxell. So I hear you're a pretty smart guy.
Yeah.
So you downplay your intelligence.
Sometimes.
Tell me. What do you downplay it for what?
Well, basically to get what I want whenever I was.
From a woman.
Yeah, from a woman.
What types of things have you gotten from women by being a himbo?
Okay, there's this young lady that I was actually somewhat in a relationship at the time.
With somebody else?
Yeah. And the young lady, she just kept insisting that,
A different lady?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
She was like, why don't you come spend time with me or whatever. So I tried to throw her off a little bit, like, I didn't want to embarrass her or hurt her feelings. So I was like, I'm sorry, but I don't own a car. And she was like, well, what type of cars are you interested in? I'm like, 80s models, like a Chevy Caprice, box style.
Vintage.
Yeah. So she was like, not even like a week later, she comes showing up, and I'm like, what are you doing? And she's like, I came to bring you a gift. And she come handing me keys. Like,
It was a Chevy.
Yes, it was a Chevy.
And were you playing into it? Did you know that this woman had money? Did you know that she was willing to pay?
I had no idea.
So once you experienced that, did you realize, oh, wow, this is something. I can start working this.
I mean, it hit me like, I can. But.
Well, what about you, Milton? So you say that you're a himbo?
I hate that word, first and foremost.
Oh. Yes,
I'm a college graduate. I work 80 hours a week.
So you're a smart himbo.
Thank you. I guess.
He's like, thank you.
Yeah,
Yes, I guess.
The way I look at it is, no offense, ladies, women get away with it every day.
Yes, they do. I agree.
And there's no reason, whether it's work, pleasure, golfing, a free round of golf, the lady wants to pay for golf, whatever it may be, if we're good looking and people want to take advantage of it, so be it.
Okay, so do you ever sleep with these women?
When I was younger, 18, 19 years old, but not in the last 8 to 10 years, to be honest with you. First time.
You said be honest.
I'm just saying.
Do you sleep with them? Did you sleep with that woman to get that Chevy?
No.
You did not have to sex her to get that Chevy?
No, I didn't.
Did you have to kiss her?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, God.
But it's like, no,
You kissed her?
No, sometimes.
Was she attractive?
Yes.
Okay.
I think it was the stilettos that did it.
Were you attracted to her?
No.
You were not attracted to her. Once she gave you the car, did you have sex with her?
No.
Did she want to have sex with you?
Yeah, she expected me to.
Did she take the car back?
No, she didn't.
Okay. So, Milton, have you ever used it at work? I hear that you kind of work at work.
Yeah.
The himbo.
I work at a jewelry store, and certain things, you walk in a repair shop, you say the right things, and the bracelet I need fixed for a customer, earrings I need made on the spot, something clean, it's done. No repair ticket, no 2, 3, 4 hour wait.
Well, thank you very much. We'll be right back.
All across America.